Welcome back to the How to Office channel. The mailings feature in Microsoft Word makes it easy to print a lot of data but only use one format or template. For example, if we're printing an invitation, the envelope format or template is only one, but will include many names on the envelopes. Therefore, instead of printing them one by one, we're better off using mailings. We'll create the name data in Microsoft Excel and link it to the Word file where we created the invitation. The process is very easy. Watch this tutorial until the end. First, create a table in Excel with two columns, the first for names and the second for addresses. Then, close Excel and open the invitation format we previously created in Microsoft Word. Then, go to the Mailings menu, select Recipients, and then select Use an existing list. A new window will appear. Find the Excel file we created earlier. After that, click the Excel file and click Open. A new window will appear. Select the sheet containing the table, then click OK. To display the Excel data in the Word file, first place the cursor where you want it to appear, for example, in the Name section. Select Insert Merge field, then select Name. The Name column heading will appear where you placed the cursor. Next, place the cursor in the Address section, then return to Insert Merge field, and select Address. To display the list of names and addresses, simply click Preview Results. The column names will change to the list of names and addresses in the Excel file. To change the names and addresses, simply click the right arrow next to Preview Results. So, how easy is it? That's how to perform a mail merge from Excel to Word. We hope this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.